How to recharge Presto card with your debit card. In this short video, I will explain each and everything that how you can load your money or recharge your Presto card with your debit card. It's very easy. First of all, you have to log in into your Presto account, which is very easy. And by the way, you can follow the instruction exactly same over your mobile phone too. So here, if you just scroll a little bit down, you have to add your card. So you can just add your physical card or order a physical card. So if you have already any of the card, for example, it's a Visa, MasterCard, or American Express, or Discover, so just click on register a physical card here, and it will first of all you have to add a card, right? So here on the top you can see three options. So if it is a debit card then or credit card, you can just select debit card because this tutorial is regarding debit card. Then you have to select on I agree to the terms and conditions, then just click on I travel with this card, right? And here you have to just wait for a few seconds. So let's wait for a few seconds here, and basically it will load. So enter your card information whether to add it to your account. Your card will not be charged. So here if you it's take a little bit of time to load, so you have to enter the card information here, basically the card number and confirmation ID, and you have to sign in. And yeah, so then you will able to add your money to your Presto account. Well, there is another way which is very easy. That is a Presto account. So you have to just add your card number and verification number, and that's it. So you have to select the how much amount you want to load into your Presto account, and in just few seconds of the transaction will happen, and you will able to add it. I hope you found this video very useful.